Chinese motorcycle manufacturer QJMotor continues its aggressive expansion into the European market with the official launch of its new full-fared sport bike, the SRK 800RR, in the UK. This move marks another major step for the brand, which has been building momentum since its European debut in early 2025. The QJMotor SRK 800RR gained attention in the 2024 season of the World Supersport Championship, where it competed under the experienced hands of Italian rider Raffaele De Rosa. Despite exceeding the championship's engine capacity regulations, requiring the engine to be limited in rotational speed and thus reducing its performance, the bike still delivered a commendable track performance. Powering the SRK 800RR is a 778 cubic centimeters inline 4 engine, the same platform found in QJMotor's naked sports model, the SRK 800, but with different tuning. While the SRK 800 produces 93 horsepower, the fared SRK 800RR boasts a significantly higher output of 120 horsepower. The increase in power is supported by aerodynamic enhancements, including winglets designed to generate downforce at speeds above 205 km per hour, helping the bike reach a top speed of around 210 km per hour. Though impressive on paper, its power output places it close to other middleweight sport bikes such as the Honda CBR 600RR, which offers 119 horsepower. However, the SRK 800RR has a wet weight of 213 kilograms, making it 20 kilograms heavier than the CBR 600RR's 193 kilograms. Despite the SRK 800RR having slightly more horsepower, the weight difference may allow the Honda to stay competitive, especially in dynamic performance. In terms of technology, the SRK 800RR offers essential rider aids including traction control, engine mapping, ABS, and cornering ABS. However, its electronic package may fall short when compared to the more advanced features available on the CBR 600RR. That said, the SRK 800RR makes up for it in componentry, featuring premium hardware such as Brembo brakes and adjustable Marzocchi suspension at both ends, adding performance value to its package. Perhaps the most compelling aspect of the QJMotor SRK 800RR is its price. Thanks to lower production costs, QJMotor is able to offer the SRK 800RR in the UK at an attractive price point of £6,999. This is significantly lower than the CBR 600RR, which is currently priced at £10,999. This competitive pricing makes the SRK 800RR a tempting option for riders seeking high performance without the premium cost.